I turned multiple special characters into zombie motorcycles, so quite you meant like this video. Okay, let's go. Chase. Rubble.
Paw Patrol revving up in the night. Motorcycles roaring, lights so bright. Bones rattling as they ride the town. Glowing green since the sun went down.
Everest.
The helmet with a haunted glow. Muscles got flames about to glow. Rocky patching them up on the fly. Zombie patrol making sparks.
Captain Turbo.
Lights out, dark skies, howl tonight. Zombies breaking out the cage. Chasing shadows in the fight.
Liberty.
Paw Patrol's not what they seem. Zombie foxes living the dream.
Rider.
Screams echo through the silent town. Bones break, the saviors hit the ground.
Zuma.
She's come undone, lies bleeding out. Apocalypse, no time for doubt.
Rocky. Tough.
Zombie foxes take their toll.
Coral. Good way.
Flashing eyes, hunger never saints.
Sky.
Fear ignites the garden gates. Hope is gone, replaced by dread.
Katie.
Running away with thunder. Zombies back from the dead. Skies soaring, ashes tearing through the night. Who must chill it out with the undead sea?
Oh.
Turns deadly in their sight. To fear when the night is here. No rescue teams, no heroes play. Undead can't stop this fearless crew.
Tracker.
Nowhere left to hide.
Robojog.